So what is up, people of YouTube? Long time no see, huh? Srikanth here. Welcome back to my channel. सबका स्वागत है. Most welcome to everyone. And today I started my ride from Tadepalligudam to Sikkim. So I'll be covering Sikkim, Meghalaya, couple of places in northeast. So today is my first day. Right now I'm in Vizag, and I've started my journey early in the morning at 4:40. So right now I'm searching some place to have breakfast in Vizag. So I'll stop somewhere in Vizag. And the ride update is, till now I have traveled 224 kilometers, 225 approximately, from my hometown. Oh my god, it's damn cold, yeah, early in the morning. Or else I would have started my ride at somewhere around at 3:30 only. But still, I'm, knowingly I started my journey a bit late, somewhere around at 4:40. Yeah, so yeah, just stay tuned. That's it. I got stuck in the traffic of Vizag. So the update is, one of my friend who stays in Vizag is gonna come and meet me. So we both will have breakfast together, and उसके बाद I'll reach Puri tonight. I booked a room in Puri today night, so I'll be reaching Puri and I'll try to go for Puri temple darshan also. So still it takes 56 minutes to reach my friend's destination. It's 27 minutes. Sorry, it's 27 kilometers, and it takes 56 minutes for me to reach. So let's just now it got started. Fatak karke people are going. Okay. So right now I'm in Vizag. I finished my breakfast. He's my friend. His name is Vamsi. We studied together in MTech. Okay, right now I'm going to Benelli showroom because I don't know what happened. On highway while I'm driving my bike. So while I'm driving my bike, if I apply the brakes, right, I'm getting some sound, like karke. I'm getting some sound. So इसलिए I thought कि I'll just talk with Benelli showroom Vizag. So I talked with them. अरे ना ग्लाउजेस रा. Shit. అరే వీటి మీదే ఉన్నట్టున్నారా. పడిపోయినట్టున్నాయి. రానా వస్తున్నా నాకు. వీటి మీద పెట్టినట్టు గుర్తు కదా. So yes guys, Benelli, Visakhapatnam. So this Benelli, I've told you, right, there is some problem with my bike. So abhi, I've requested them to just check it. So they checked it and they have given me in literally half an hour. Yeah, very good service. Thanks you Benelli, Visakhapatnam. Amma तेरे को ध्यान लग रहा. సరేరా. అరే థ్యాంక్స్ లాట్. లేకపోతే చాలా కష్టపడుతుండే నేను. So this is the stadium, cricket stadium of Visakhapatnam. After couple of kilometers, maybe after 10-15 kilometers, on outskirts from the Vizag, there is some highway under construction. So I got a diversion. Highway is still going on. NH16. Right now I'm traveling to NH16. So I have traveled a lot of times from my hometown to Chennai. So that will be over. That is a half part. And today I'm traveling from my hometown till Kolkata. I'll be going through outskirts of the Kolkata. But still, we can consider that I've covered NH16 completely, maybe. Okay. And again, one more diversion to highway, connecting the highway. Oh, these are 6-lane roads. That's nice. If it is a 6-lane roads, that will be really nice. So right now the time is 12:35. Oh my goodness. Still it's 370 kilometers to reach Puri. Yeah, ride update. So till now I have traveled 490 kilometers from my house, and I'm nearer to AP border, and in some time I'll enter into Orissa border. I just had a pit stop, so it's still 215 kilometers, 5 hours. It is showing me 5 hours. I've beaten Google time for 1 hour. Yeah, approximately 1 hour, because it is, when I started my journey in Vizag, so it showed me somewhere around 9 o'clock, 9:15, but right now it is showing me 8:20. Yeah, I have cruised my bike a bit. To a proper extent, I cruised my bike. So that is the reason 1 hour. I just had a pit stop. I didn't have my lunch. I had some samosa and a chai. Pata nahi, today I'm not at all hungry. I don't know why. Today, day is not that good, bro. I started my journey. I thought everything will be fine, but I lost my riding blouses. These are Benelli riding blouses. These are okay, dude. These are, Benelli is not that good in, making these riding blouses. So yeah, it is fine, okay. Chalega, I can just manage, but I'm not that comfortable in riding with these blouses. And that is one thing. And second thing is some issue in the bike, as I told you. So that is resolved in Vizag. By God's grace, I heard it before Vizag only, so that showed in Benelli showroom, Visakhapatnam. And one more thing, a big shout out to sponsors of this whole trip is none other than myself. Yeah, of course, from past couple of months I'm not traveling anywhere, so I've saved good amount of money, so I thought I'll go for a good trip. So that is where I'm on a trip, and that too this year ending. So year ending though, you'll for IT people, you'll get some good holidays year ending May. Most of the companies will get good holidays, and that too because of this corona, no carry forward leaves. So that is where I got a really long leave. A big shout out to my manager as well. So that as soon as I told my manager that sir, I want leave for this many days karke, he was like, just go chill out, just enjoy. He was like that. So that is how it went. And one more thing, thanks a lot people, those 2-digit subscribers. Right now I'm having 2-digit subscribers before starting my trip. So thanks a lot for supporting. From bottom of my heart, I just want to say thanks to you people. Yeah, that's it. Today there is nothing to show, just the plain roads only. Seriously, the plain roads. Only plain roads. Today and tomorrow it will be. Tomorrow also till Kolkata, the roads will be like this only, like pura plain. Today, yaar, 4 lane, 6 lane, again loop lane. So today it is like that. Yeah, I need to reach Puri somehow. Still 210 kilometers. Hola, welcome to Orissa. We have reached Orissa. Just now I passed one toll. That is the last toll in AP. So right now we are in Orissa. Today 2 states, AP and Orissa. See my shadow. Hi. ये उधर सनसेट हो रहा है. And ride update, still 190 kilometers to go, 500 kilometers covered till now. Ride update guys, so successfully completed 600 kilometers from my home with full of disasters. Yeah, seriously, first day only I'm facing a lot of challenges. I don't know why it's happening to me. Actually, before starting off the ride, or when I get time, I watch couple of moto vlogger videos. Okay, so at that time I used to think, they used to lose their gloves, they used to go through a lot of stuff, punctures, this, that and all. Bike problems, their problems, they'll lose something, and iske baad, they'll try to fix it, so they'll go here, there and all. So I used to think, all these things won't happen with me, because I don't know, it never happened with me. And I've gone to longest bike ride is 6 days and somewhere around 3,000 to 4,000 kilometers. Those 6 days also nothing showed up, nothing negative showed up. So but now it is something like, I'm having 2 bags each and 1 tank bag, and full luggage, fully loaded luggage, and that luggage now and then it's just sliding to one side. So luggage is more important. I'm frequently checking it up. So here the problem is when I'm shifting my luggage, I'm trying to set my luggage, all of a sudden bike fell down, and after bike fell down, I just lifted it up and I set the luggage and I started my ride. All of a sudden I just want to apply brakes. Fatak bol ke applied the front brake. That lever is broken. When the bike fell down, front brake lever is broken. So I'm not even understanding what to do. First day only, all these stuffs are going on. I'm not sure whether to continue the ride or not. I'll see. I'll check for this front brake lever, because and if I go to Sikkim and Meghalaya roads, those roads are ghat roads, so it will be a really big challenge for me without the front brake. I'll just check in the nearest Kolkata or Bhubaneswar showroom. If it is available, I'll go fix it up. After getting it done only, I'll go for, on 26th onwards, Sikkim trip will start. My friends are also coming over there. So I'm not even understanding. I'm in a dilemma to abort the trip or to continue the trip. Come on, yeah. Fingers crossed. I hope nothing goes wrong. అంతా ఈశ్వరేచ్ఛ. ఓకే, లెట్స్ సీ. So yeah, still 100 kilometers to go. So but it is showing me somewhere around 3 hours, approximately 2 hours 53 minutes. So that is the ride update. So but still I am on National Highway 16 only. National Highway 16, still I need to go for 45 kilometers. After 45 kilometers I need to take a diversion to right. So then I'll be catching the Puri road. After that diversion again I need to travel for 60 kilometers. Let's see. After going to Puri I'll decide. First I'll go for darshan today or tomorrow. So after that I'll decide whether to go further or about the trip. Let's see. If all these things got fixed, right? So then I can continue my trip. Without brakes, how can you continue your trip here? It is quite impossible, and it is now only it is adventurous. Without front brake, it will be damn adventurous. You can manage. Brakes are like mandatory. Yaar. कोई नहीं, चलो, let's see what happens.